Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to book your classes, create an account for your classes, cancel them, and what your emails will look like once you have booked an appointment. So first we're going to start off on the home page for Sew Magical Expo, which is sewmagicalexpo.com. You can go to the booking site two ways. You can go to the top here and you can click sewmagicalexpo.com/book, B-O-O-K, and hit enter. It'll take you to the main book an appointment page. And then also you're going to see here under the classes drop down, there is a book your classes. It's going to take you to the same page. So you can go either way. So what we're going to do is you're going to book your first appointment or class first. And you can do that by simply going to this menu, scrolling down. You'll see that these are in order by time. So Friday classes come first, and you can see that you got 10 a.m. classes first. Each class will have a title, the number of spots that are left in that class, the sign up button, the time that it starts, the amount of time that class is expected to last, and then a description and a picture. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up for this first ears headband class. I'm going to click the sign up button. And this just has some of my information from my last time, but you need to fill this out for your first time. Put your name, first and last. Your phone number is great to have because you can get text message reminders about your appointment. You can go in and type your email that you want your account to be associated with. A key thing is you need to enter a ticket order number. This is going to be on your email confirmation you received when you book your ticket. Again, you must book your ticket in order to book classes. Next, you're going to have two questions below that you're agreeing not to book overlapping classes, and then you understand that almost all the hands-on classes require either materials, supplies, or a class kit. If you agree, you're going to go ahead and click those boxes and click complete appointment. Here you'll see that you receive your confirmation, the date, the time, where it's at, and then you can go ahead and on this menu you can go ahead and cancel if you made a mistake. You can add it to your calendars, and then you can also do one of two things. You can go ahead and schedule another appointment from here, but I really suggest, in order to go back and see your classes later and to streamline things for yourself, you're going to want to click register for an account. Go ahead and click that. You're going to go ahead and populate a password that you want associated with your account. Confirm it by typing it again. You can read through these policies and terms of services, and then you click this box. Click sign up. Well, I already exist, but you'll see that you can go ahead, even if you did forget, you can go ahead and click forget your password. But the great thing about this is now that I'm logged in, I'm going to go ahead and log in for you guys. Once you're logged in, you can see at the top here, I've now scheduled this class, and I've also canceled a couple, but I can see all this every time I log in up at the top. The other great thing is I can now go and schedule another appointment very easily. Let's say that I want to go and do the how to bling and machine embroider tiaras. I'm going to go ahead and click sign up. Now my information is all auto-populated for me. I can complete that appointment, and voila, now I have two classes sitting here ready to go. I can go back to that page again, the beginning page. I can click these appointments, and I can go ahead and cancel them from here as well. I can also go and schedule another appointment, and it'll just bring me back to that page again. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel this so you can see what that looks like. Yes, I want to cancel that appointment. And now you see it shows it's canceled, but you can still see I have the machine embroider tiaras at the top. As you can see, the format's changed once I've done that into a different format. If you don't want to see it in the alphabetical order that it's showing here, all you have to do is hit that book your classes again, and it's going to give you back to that original format where it's in order by the time. I just want to show you, when you book an appointment, you get a confirmation email that looks similar to this. It's going to give you your name, what the class is, and it gives you this nice little email summary, gives you the options to change and cancel the appointment, add it to some calendars, and it's also up here as well. After you cancel appointment, if you ever need to, you can go and get an email as well that shows you did cancel it. If you don't receive this, then you did not cancel your email. Make sure to check your spam folders too if you haven't received it. This is it in a gist, and if you ever need any help or have any additional questions, feel free to reach out. We have a contact us form under About SME. Go to Contact Us, and it'll send us an email. We also have a Facebook group that you can reach out and ask us any questions as well at Sew Magical Expo on Facebook. Thank you, and have a wonderful day, and good luck getting all the classes you want.